10 independent realms, until 3 ships crossed the Eastern Sea. At their head stood Ethelgard, prince of the old dragon lords. Beside him stood his sisters, Rhea, the strategist, and Vespera, the dragon whisperer. Above them soared Boreas, the golden terror of the upper clouds. Mirabel, swift as a storm bolt, bonded to joyful Rhea. And gentle Valian, whose breath burned white-hot in the night. And so began the age of the rise of an empire.